Running a business is tough work. You're busy making deals, serving customers, and chasing your dreams. Every day brings new challenges and opportunities, and it can be overwhelming to keep track of everything. But even the most passionate entrepreneur knows that financial management is crucial. Without a solid grasp on your finances, your business can quickly spiral out of control. It can make or break your success. The stress of managing finances can be overwhelming, leading to sleepless nights and constant worry. That's where financial software comes in. This powerful tool can transform the way you handle your business's finances. It's like having a personal accountant by your side 24/7. No more late nights spent crunching numbers or worrying about missed transactions. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps of setting up your financial software. From the initial installation to the final setup, we've got you covered. We'll cover everything from creating a chart of accounts to automating transactions. You'll learn how to customize the software to fit your specific business needs. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. With our step-by-step instructions, you'll be up and running in no time. By the end of this guide, you'll be well on your way to streamlined finances. Imagine having a clear, organized view of your financial health at all times, and a clearer picture of your business's health. Let's get started. With the right tools and knowledge, financial management can be a breeze. Before you dive into the world of financial software, you need a map. This map is crucial for navigating the complex landscape of your business finances. This map is your chart of accounts. It's essentially the backbone of your financial system, providing structure and clarity. It's basically a list of all the different accounts you use to track your money. These accounts are categorized to help you understand where your money comes from and where it goes. Think of your business like a house. Just as a house has different rooms for different purposes, your business has various financial categories. Each room represents a different area of spending or earning. For example, you might have rooms for sales, rent, inventory, and utilities. You have your sales room, your rent room, your inventory room, and so on. Each of these rooms needs to be clearly labeled and organized. Your chart of accounts labels all these rooms. It ensures that every financial transaction is recorded in the right place. Setting up your chart of accounts is easy. Most financial software makes this process straightforward and user-friendly. Most software comes with pre-built templates. These templates are designed to fit various types of businesses, from retail to services. You just choose the one that fits your business type and customize it. Customization allows you to tailor the chart to your specific needs, adding or removing accounts as necessary. A well-organized chart of accounts is essential. It provides a clear picture of your financial health and helps you stay on top of your finances. It helps you see where your money is going. By categorizing your expenses and income, you can easily track your financial performance. This makes tax time a breeze and helps you make smarter business decisions. With a clear chart of accounts, you can plan for the future, identify areas for improvement, and ensure your business stays financially healthy. In the UK, dealing with HMRC is a fact of business life. But it doesn't have to be a headache. Linking your financial software with HMRC can save you time and reduce errors. Most software allows you to connect directly to HMRC systems for VAT, payroll, CIS, and other schemes. This means you can submit your returns directly from your software without the need for manual entry. Linking with HMRC also ensures that you're always up to date with the latest regulations and deadlines. No more late fees or penalties. Imagine having all your bank transactions automatically flow into your financial software. No more manual entry, no more mistakes. That's the power of linking your bank account. Most financial software allows you to securely connect to your business bank account. This means your transactions are automatically imported and categorized. Linking your bank account is simple and secure. Your bank likely has partnerships with popular software providers. Just follow the instructions within your chosen software. This connection saves you countless hours of data entry. It ensures your financial records are always accurate and up to date. Section 5 Automation Station, training your software to work for you. Here's the fun part. Teaching your software to do the heavy lifting for you. Imagine having a virtual assistant that never sleeps, never takes a break, and always gets the job done perfectly. Most financial software comes with powerful automation features. These features are designed to streamline your workflow and reduce the amount of manual input required. This means you can train it to categorize transactions, generate invoices, and even send payment reminders. The software learns from your actions and adapts to your business needs. For example, let's say you regularly purchase office supplies from the same vendor. Instead of manually entering this information every time, you can set up rules within the software. You can teach your software to automatically categorize these transactions as office expenses. This not only saves time, but also ensures consistency and accuracy in your financial records. This saves you from manually categorizing every single purchase. Over time, these small automations add up, freeing you to focus on more strategic tasks. Think of all the time you'll save. Hours that would have been spent on repetitive tasks can now be used to innovate and grow your business. You can focus on growing your business while your software takes care of the tedious tasks. Imagine the peace of mind knowing that your financial processes are running smoothly in the background. With these automation features, you can achieve greater efficiency and productivity. Your software becomes a powerful ally in your business journey, helping you reach new heights of success. Section 6. The power of information. Reports at your fingertips. Remember that map we talked about, your chart of accounts? Well, now it's time to use it to navigate your finances. Your financial software can generate a wide range of reports to give you insights into your business. Want to see how profitable your products are? No problem. Need to track your cash flow? Easy. Your software can provide you with all the information you need when you need it. These reports aren't just numbers on a page. They are powerful tools that can help you make informed decisions about pricing, inventory, and overall business strategy. Section 8. Conclusion. Taking control of your financial future. Congratulations, you've taken the first step towards financial freedom by setting up your business's financial software. Remember, this is your business, your money, and your future. Take the time to learn the ins and outs of your software. Don't be afraid to experiment with different features and reports. The more you use it, the more you'll discover how powerful it can be. So, what are you waiting for? Start exploring the world of financial software today and watch your business thrive.